Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my 2017 favorites. So I'm just going to go over everything through the year that I just loved. It's going to be makeup, hair, a book, maybe some home decor, home things, and then some fashion as well. So if you want to see what I was loving throughout the whole year of 2017, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I feel like I haven't filmed in quite a while. It's been a week since Vlogmas ended, and I just kind of want to take a break, enjoy the rest of the holiday that was left, and then kind of just, you know, not film for a while. So I'm back for right now. I don't know if I'm going to be filming while I go back to school, but I will obviously keep you guys posted. So the first item that I was absolutely loving throughout 2017 was the Anastasia Beverly Hill Nicole Guerra palette. As you can tell by how much I've used of this color, it's my favorite highlight. I wear it every single day. And when I bought this palette, I didn't really like it at first. Like, I hadn't touched it hardly at all. And then this past, like, I want to say 3 or 4 months, I have done nothing but use this highlight here. And it has quickly become my favorite highlight that I own. That brings me to my second favorite item. I got this one at the beginning of December, so it's really actually pretty recent. This is the Morphe M501 brush. And I'm a diehard Morphe M510 brush user. Like, that is my highlighting brush. That's what I love. But it might have been replaced by this brush. So I'm actually going to put on more highlighter because why not? But honestly, it just, like, it applies it so much, like, stronger. And it just, and it's got a really fine tip at the end, so I can easily just, like, take the highlight down the bridge of my nose. So yeah, I love this brush. It's been my absolute favorite. I also wanted to point out that I have a new backdrop now. I bought this really cute table from Target, and it's have a whole bunch of like home decor kind of things on there. So this is officially my backdrop for my videos. I'll be filming every single video on this backdrop, unless, you know, obviously if it's a vlog, or I might switch it up every once in a while, but this is going to be my backdrop for the time being. The Cover FX translucent setting powder is one of my favorite things that I found this year. I before was using Laura Mercier, and I used like 2 of those, and then I was like, you know, I don't like how it's sitting on my face. I feel like it's too matte. So I went and I picked up this after it was recommended to me, and I have gone through 2 already, and it is my absolute favorite translucent setting powder. I think it just looks so nice on the skin. It doesn't look matte. It doesn't look like radiant. It's just so perfect. And yeah, so that was one of my favorites. Another one of my favorites was the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I got this one in gratis, and oh my god, I fell in love so quickly. This mascara has quickly become my favorite. The Benefit Roller Lash and the Benefit They're Real, they're tied with this one now, and I honestly just think it gives you so much volume while still not being clumpy. And yeah, I just love this one. This one is no shocker to anyone who has watched my videos. I don't think I've ever done a video that has not had this mentioned. It is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am the shade 1N1, and it just speaks for itself. Watch all of my other videos, all my Get Ready With Me's. I talk about how much I love this foundation, and this was the year for this foundation. I work at Ulta, so I mean, I get the chance to try a lot of foundations, and I've tried almost everyone in our store, and nothing has come close. Like, it truly is my holy grail foundation, and if you haven't tried it, I highly suggest it. I feel like this is going to be on my favorites for, like, probably the next couple years, but the Tarte Shape Tape, like, I don't know what to say about this one besides it's the best concealer I've ever tried. I am uploading a Tarte versus All Nighter concealer battle, and that will be up on my channel shortly, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, that one, it's so good. Alright, so the final makeup item I have is also no surprise if you watch my videos. It's the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I mean, just look at it. It has every single color you need for every single look. It covers everything from these bright colors here to all these neutrals in here. Like, it is just so good. I think this is the best product Morphe has ever put out that I've personally tried myself. And once again, I highly recommend this to anyone who hasn't tried it yet. Now we're going to move on to hair items. I only have 2 because I do the same thing with my hair every day, and I've been doing my hair the same for the whole entire year. So the first thing, which is also going to be my empties video, is the Kenra Volume Spray 25. I have tried a couple hairsprays. I tried Rusk Weightless and the Hard Head from Bedhead, and neither one held enough or it held too much, and this one is just like absolutely perfect. It holds just enough of my hair, and it's not like crispy. It doesn't make my hair feel really heavy. It just is so nice. It is wind resistant up to 25 miles per hour, which I've never seen on a hairspray before. So I think that's pretty cool because, I mean, my hair does defy gravity a little bit, so having that extra protection is really nice. The last hair item I have, which I think I've talked about before on my channel, is the KMS Hair Play cream. This stuff is just so good if you like a messy look like mine, or if you like to put it up without that like really shiny, really hard hold gel. This one doesn't have like it doesn't leave it super greasy looking, and it just holds my hair perfectly without making it super crunchy. Like I can touch my hair and it still feels like hair, but it's not going to fall flat or like fall down throughout the day. Moving on to skincare, I also only have 2 items for skincare because some of the skincare I'm using now I just recently got and I don't know if I love it yet. But the Origin Spot treatment is like the best spot treatment I've ever tried. I've tried Mario Badescu, I've tried Murad, I've tried Clinique, and none of them do as good of a job as this one does. Like, this one will clear my breakouts in 2 days, whereas the other ones it was like 3 to 4 days, maybe even a week before they kind of went down. But this one, even after using it for a whole entire year, has still kept my breakouts from like going up to the skin. The second item that I didn't think that I would even like is the Philosophy Take a Deep Breath Moisturizer. Now this one I got in gratis as well, and when I saw it I didn't think I would like it because I thought Philosophy was more for like anti-aging or like super dry skin. But I tried this one and I literally fell in love with it. It's a pretty thick moisturizer for being oil free, but it leaves my skin feeling so like glowy and healthy and just like plumped and radiant. And I just love how this one feels, and I've tried a lot of moisturizers, so this is definitely one of my favorites for the year. So as far as home goes, I bought a lot of things for my room this year, but all of it was like holiday kind of stuff. So the Marshmallow Fireside Candle, which I talked about in my Ulta haul, if you haven't seen it, I'll leave the link up above. It is like the best candle from Bath & Body Works ever. It smells like super warm and super like fiery and woodsy, and I've already burned a lot of it, but yeah, this is my absolute favorite candle of the whole entire year, of the whole entire season. So I'm not usually the person to read, like I don't normally read books or anything. I read a lot of poetry when I can, but I haven't read anything in a long time. So for Christmas, Delaney got me the book Call Me By Your Name, and I didn't think that I would actually read it just because I don't normally read books, but I actually sat down to read it, and I'm a little over halfway done with it, and yes, I'm using a cotton pad as my bookmark. Anyway, so I'm halfway through it right now, and it is so good. This book is about, essentially without spoiling anything, it's about a boy in Italy who hosts like scholars at their house, at their family house in Italy, and he ends up falling for one of the scholars that comes to his house. So it's just a really good book. It's super detailed, and it kind of just reminds me of myself and how naive I have been, and how, you know, things change and people change, and it's just such a good book, and I highly recommend it to anyone who loves a good love story. The last thing I have for you guys today is fashion. So the first thing is the old school Vans. I used to have these when I was a kid, and I just got a new pair for myself for Christmas, and these have already become my favorite shoes. I cannot stop wearing them. They go with everything, and they're so much of that like skater street style. I'm really into that lately, like the super simple like neutral tones, and then those shoes is the perfect look. Another favorite of this year is my Birkenstocks. I have the black suede ones, and don't mind how disgustingly dirty they are. I love these shoes for summer, just wearing them without socks, winter with socks, with sweats, with jeans, with pants, with a sweatshirt. Like, I will wear them with anything, and my favorite thing about them is that you can literally just like slip them on and go, and I'm all about what's fastest for me. So yeah, I love these shoes, and I got these ones in April, and I got a new pair for Christmas, so those are also my favorite. Alright guys, so that just about wraps up my 2017 favorites video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want me to do on this channel. I kind of don't know where to go from here. There's not anything coming out lately that I would want to review, or any challenges that I see that I would want to do. So leave me a comment down below on things you want to see from me. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification button so you get notified every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!